discuss LeetCode problem number 273, converting a number into write-in words kind of thing you learned in early stages like kindergarten or first grade. Before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Now back to the problem. Like in this case, like I'll give an example, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, you need to convert it into 1,234,567. So if you see in terms of the numberings, they're all, the comma is always comes after like three digits. I know the British system is little different. So this is the American system. So because of that, you can chunk it into three digits and use a function convert 3 digits to convert the 100 place. Like in this one, you can convert this into 567, and this one is 234. But you need to tie all of them together, and so that's where this loop is useful. I call this as number vector map pattern because we are using vector sort of like a map functionality, and we are storing the English numbers there. So that's a reasoning. Hopefully that will help us remember the solution when needed. So there is a vector for below 20 because each one of them is different in terms of English, and afterwards you these are the sort of like the building blocks below 20, and then you store the tens and then the thousands. So you initially keep dividing by 1000 because as I said, it is the chunks of hundreds. So you try to see if you take modulo 1000, if anything is remaining, you basically convert that into thousands, and then the thousandth I starts off with 0, and so each time you enter the loop, you either go with empty, it is below 1000. Like in this case of 567, we will see this will be empty basically. And next time when it comes 234, like let me show you there. Yeah, so 567, the thousands I is 0 here, and here 234, it is 1000, so it is becomes 234,567. So that's why you chunk into three digits, and then you keep dividing number by 1000. So in the case you get 567 first, and then you divide by 1000, it becomes 234, and then you convert 234, and then the remainder one will basically go to the million basically. If it is number is below 0, so you return the below 20, the unique building block. If it is less than 100, it's a special case again. You give tens, and then it's not helper. Let us see. It as it is not a helper function. It is a convert 3 digits. That is a better one, and I think I had to replace this one here as well. So better naming as rather than just a helper function. So if it is below 100, then you tap into hundreds one, and then you tap the remainder into num percentage 10, and if it is above 100, then you get this once again divide by 100, you get the below 20, 100, and then 100, and then convert the remainder of it here. If you see the run, if you 567 as discussed, we discuss as a chunk of 3, and then if number 67, if number is greater than 100 first, actually, so it becomes 500 here. This one becomes 500, and then it becomes 67. So you get 60, and then you get 7, because if it is 60 and then this is 7, I think this one can be replaced with below 20 num percentage 10, I think. But let me figure that one out. I think that should also work. And so then you go through the second loop here again for 234 as we discussed, and because 1000 I is now 1, because we incremented I here, so it becomes 234,000, and then 1 is remaining, and 1 will come as this is I plus plus 2, so this is a million, and then 1 comes from the below 20 here. So that's what causes produce the output 1,234,567. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.